How to update drivers on Windows 11. In order to update the drivers, what you can do is go to Windows and type Device Manager. And after that, here you will be able to see different categories of the listed devices. And in order to download or update the driver, select the particular driver that you want to download and update. And here you can see update driver option. You can search automatically for drivers, and online you can manually download and install the drivers by clicking on browse my computers for driver and select the path, and you can select the driver that you want to update. And the same thing goes for the rest of the drivers too. If you want to update your display adapters, simply expand the display adapters and you can see the two integrated and dedicated graphics here. And in order to update both of the graphics, right click on the driver and select update driver option. And the next method is to update your Windows frequently. And in order to update your Windows, go to Windows and search for Windows Update Settings, and from here make sure that your device is up to date, and this will also help to update drivers. Or you can go to advanced options, and here on the optional features you will be able to see driver updates, and from here you can download and update drivers for your device. So basically this is how to update drivers on Windows 11. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment.